Traveling with a toddler can feel daunting, but with the right preparation, it can also be a wonderful adventure. The key to a successful trip is to embrace flexibility and anticipate the unique needs of your little one. Begin by choosing the right time to travel. Early mornings or later evenings often work best, allowing your child to travel during their usual sleep times. Consider planning shorter travel days to minimize stress, allowing more time for breaks and exploration. Pack strategically for your journey. Bring a well-stocked diaper bag or backpack filled with essentials like diapers, wipes, snacks, and a favorite toy. Including items that are familiar to your child can provide comfort and security during travels. Don't forget to pack an extra change of clothes, as spills and accidents are inevitable with toddlers. An easy-access portable changing mat can be invaluable for bathroom stops. When it comes to transportation, aim for a toddler-friendly approach. If flying, consider booking direct flights to avoid layovers and the potential hassle of changing planes. Choose seats that provide extra space for your child to move around, and consider bringing a car seat or a travel-friendly toddler carrier to keep them safe and secure. Keep your child's favorite items at hand, such as a beloved blanket or stuffed animal, to ease any anxiety during the journey. Make frequent stops if you are driving, allowing your toddler little breaks to stretch, run around, and burn off energy. Finding parks or playgrounds along your route can transform rest stops into fun moments that your child will cherish. Establishing a travel routine can help make the experience more predictable for your toddler. For example, designate times for snacks, activity, and quiet play. Upon reaching your destination, involve your toddler in the adventure. Encourage them to explore their new surroundings and make decisions on what they want to do. This sense of control can reduce any feelings of being overwhelmed during the trip. Prioritize child-friendly activities and expect to balance sightseeing with downtime to recharge. Keeping an open dialogue about upcoming plans, even at a toddler's level of understanding, can cultivate excitement and engagement. Lastly, remember to take lots of pictures and create memories that you and your child will cherish. Through both the challenges and joys of traveling with a toddler, embracing the journey can lead to unforgettable family bonding experiences. With these tips, you can navigate the world with ease and joy, exploring new places while creating lasting memories with your little adventurer.